What if you could take a 2-day course that gave you direct access to creating and living a life you really want?
It was a Saturday and Sunday.
It was very clear what was being said.
I came out dealing with a particular issue, and the whole issue crystallized for me by the second day.
Direct access, creating and living a future you really want, is a new kind of landmark course.
You know that expression, time flies when you're having fun? I don't know where the day went.
In the design of this new program, we set out to actually bring into existence a program that was unique and new in every single facet, from the delivery of the program to the methodology of the program, to drawing on the latest findings of cognitive science and neuroscience, to the use of multimedia to enhance and make the delivery more efficient.
The introduction of the video technology made it so accessible to see the material that we were covering.
Now it's starting to put it into real practical purposes for me, how my brain works.
We set out with that goal, committed to have a landmark program that was completely distinct from every other landmark program that came before. We were also committed that we could do that in 2 days and leave people not only with staggering immediate results, but with the kind of results that expand month after month and year after year. You will leave with a step-by-step process that literally puts your brain to work for you so that it naturally generates the actions required for you to realize that future.
In my everyday life, I have steps. I can create it anytime I want.
I got a total result from this weekend.
It was just so simple.
All the dreams that I put on a shelf that were gathering dust, they're coming down. And this course made that possible.